A massive submarine had disappeared during a dangerous mission long ago. No one knew where it went. Many explorers tried to find it, but the ocean kept its secret hidden. Years passed. Decades passed. Then one day, a powerful AI, ocean scanning system detected a strange metal object deep under the sea. The signal was unusual. Scientists immediately sent robotic submarines to investigate the location. As the robotic machines descended deeper into the ocean, the water became darker and colder. Suddenly, their lights revealed something incredible. A gigantic submarine, covered with rust, coral, and sea plants. It had been resting silently on the ocean floor for more than 80 years. The discovery shocked the entire world. Engineers decided to recover the lost submarine and bring it back to the surface. Huge underwater cranes and robotic arms carefully lifted the heavy metal structure. Slowly, the submarine began rising from the deep ocean. When it finally reached the surface, the restoration work began. Teams of engineers cleaned the rust from the metal body. Damaged parts were replaced with modern technology. A new powerful engine was installed inside the submarine. The old control room was upgraded with advanced digital systems. Piece by piece, the forgotten submarine transformed into a modern underwater machine. After months of hard work, the moment finally arrived. The submarine was ready for its first mission again. With a powerful splash, it returned to the ocean. The lost submarine that had been forgotten for 80 years was alive again.
Structural integrity here is compromised. We have to replace this plating first.
I agree. The corrosion near the waterline is extensive. Let's mobilize the team.
Hold position. We are seated.
Confirm hydraulic lock. Sequence initiated.
Sonar calibration looks good on Sector 4.
Acknowledged. All tactical displays are fully synchronized and nominal.
That's the last stroke for this section. All right, let's see how it looks. Carefully now. Perfect. It's sharp.